Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Remember, our last lesson we did about pie chart, and today we shall be starting on mean, mode, and the median. Mean, mode, and median, and we shall be tackling. The first thing we shall be tackling will be on mean. The mean is also we call it average mean. It's not something that is complicated. It's very simple. You will be told to get the mean of a certain thing, or an exam or an assignment was given to a learners, and then you are told to find the mean score of that subject. So what you do, you add the numbers you are given, you divide it by against the numbers you have. So let us see now the mean. So here you are told what is the mean of the following. What is the mean of the following? 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 A, you are told 2, 13, 2, 13, 5, 8, 5, 8. So you are told to get the average mean. Average means the mean. To get the mean of this. So when you want to get the mean of this, what you do, you add what you have. Then after that you divide against the numbers of the number. So what you do now, you say 2 plus 13 plus 5 plus 8, all for how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, all for 4. That's how we get the mean. So when you add this, you will get 28. To get the mean now, all for 4, which is equal to 7. So the average mean of these numbers is 7. That's how we find. Another one, you are told question B, 0.25, 0.1, 3.8, 0.18, 20.72. So you are told to find the mean of these numbers. What you do to find the average mean or the average score of these numbers, what you do, you add first. So you say 0.25 plus 0.1 plus 3.8 plus 0.18 plus 20.72, all for how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all for 5. That's how you find. So you add. After adding now, you will get 25.05, all over now the 5. Now when you add this, the top numbers, you will get 25.05 divided by 5 numbers. They are 5 in number, so you will get 5.01. After dividing it by 5, you will get 5.01. That's how we find. Another question here, you are told Njane, a candidate of Excel Academy, Njane, a candidate of Excel Academy, Excel Academy scored the following marks. In this case, he scored the following marks. In his KCPE. Trial papers. In this case, trial papers. What was his mean score? What was his mean score? They are asking the mean score of this. A mean score is the mean, the average mean. So here you are told we have maths. This guy got 94%. We have English, he got 81%. We have Kiswahili. Kiswahili, he got 62%. Social studies and religious studies, he got 65%. And then science, he got 73%. So you are told now what is the mean score of this. To get the mean score of this subject, what we do, as I said earlier, you add. So let's add his marks now. His marks will be 94% plus 81% plus 62% plus 65% plus 73%. So all over how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects divided by 5. That's how we find. So we add now. Let us add 94 plus 81. 94 plus 81, you will get 5. That is 175 plus 62, you will get 7. 3, 237 plus 65, you will get 12 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10 carry 1. That is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 73, you will get 5, 7, 3. So you will get 375. When you add, you will get 375. So is equal to 375 over 5. Divided by 5, there were 5 subjects. So after dividing now, you will get 75. So that is the mean score. So the mean score will be, after adding this 375 divided by the number of 5 subjects, you will get 75. You will get 75. That is how we find. You will get 75. Another question here. You are told the average wage of 5 workers is shillings 92. Of 5 workers is shillings 92. Shillings 92. You are told now the average wage of 4 of them is 95. The average wage of 4 of them, the average wage of 4 of them is shillings 95. Then the question is asking now what is the wage of the 5th worker? What is the wage? What is the wage of the 5th worker? Of the 5th worker. Now, this one is common in examination. They normally bring this one in an exam. So you are told the average wage of 5 workers is 92. The average wage. So whenever you are told the average wage of 5 workers is 92, you multiply. So you say 92 times 5 workers to get their average wage. So you will get 460. This is the total. All of them, their wage is 460, and the average was 92. So 5 of them times 5. So whenever you hear the average wage of 5 workers is this, or the mean score of 5 subjects is this, the score of 5 pupils is this, you always multiply. So the average wage of 5 workers is 92. The mean score of 10 is that. If you are told, you always multiply. So 92. Another one, you are told the average wage of 5 of them is 95. The average wage of 4 of them is 95. 4 of them is 95. Now let us get the total 4 of them. The average wage of 4 of them is 95. So 95 multiplied by 4. So when you multiply, you will get 380. 4 of them. This is the average wage. So now, when there are 5, the total wage is 460. When there are 5 in number. When there are 4, is 380. So you are told get the fifth child, the fifth worker now. How do we get the fifth worker? 5 of them is this. 4 of them is this. You get the fifth worker now. How do you get the fifth worker? You say now the total minus the 4 of them. So the 5 of them, their average work was 460. 4 of them is 380 now. You subtract now. So 0, here you will get, you borrow 1 is 8. So the answer will be 80. So that's how we find. I'm repeating. You are told the average wage of 5 workers is shillings 92. Is shillings 92. Is shillings 92. Is shillings. So whenever you are told the average of 5 is this, the average, the mean score of 6 is this, you always multiply. The average of 10 is this, you multiply to get the total. So 5 of them, 92 now, average is 92. Now what about the 5 of them times 5, 460. When there are 4, the average of 4 of them is 95, the average one. 4 of them times 4, 380. So they said when there are 5, is 460 total. When there are 4, the shillings are 380. So you are told the fifth one. What was the wage of the fifth one? Now, kibarua ya yule tano. So what do? You say total 5 of them minus ile pesa walishukua 4 of them. You get the fifth one. So that is 380. So that's how you will find. It's very common in exam. Or sometimes they will tell you the average of 5 is this. When you multiply, then they will tell you 4 of them is this. They list now 4 of them got 80, 70, 40, 30. What do? You add those ones, you subtract minus now the total you have multiplied. So that's how we find. Here there's another question. You are told a pickup carried a load. A pickup carried a load of 398 kg. Of 398 kg. Of 398 kg. Then you are told in the pickup there were 4 people. In the pickup there were 4 people. In the pickup there were 4 people whose mean weight was 78.6. Whose mean weight was 78.6 kg. Then the question is now asking, what was the mass of the cabbage? What was the mass of the cabbage? What was the mass of the cabbage? You are told now in a pickup carried 398 kg. In the pickup there were 4 people whose mean weight was 78.6. Then you are told what was the mass of the cabbage. What was the mass of the cabbage? Let us see now. A pickup was carried a load. The total load was 398 kg. So the load, total load, Zito, is 398 kg. In the pickup there were 4 people whose mean weight was this. I said earlier, there were 4 whose mean was this. Whenever you are told, I say you multiply. I already explained that. So there were 4 people whose mean was this, whose average mean was this, whose mean score was this, you multiply. So you say 4 of them multiplied by now the average weight was 78.6, you multiply. So when you multiply, you will get 314.4 kg. Now the question is asking now what was the mass load. What do we get to get the out of cabbage? Now total is this. That of the people, 4 of them is this. The other one now the cabbage. What do? We subtract now. So let us subtract now. 398 minus 31. 398 minus 31.4. This one has no decimal, you introduce. So let us subtract now. 0.4. So when you multiply 4 times 78.6 is 314.4 kg. So you subtract now. 398 is the total load. For the 4 people, their weight was 314.4. So you subtract now 314.4. This one has no decimal, you introduce. Let us subtract now. You get here 6. Here remains with 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Here remains with 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So you will get 70. No, here is already 9. 9 minus this is 8, sorry, is 83.6 kg. That is how we subtract. So I said the load, total load, you have 4 of the people, the mean of 4 is this. You multiply 4 times this, you will get 314.4. Total minus 314.4, you will get 83.6 kg. 83.86 kg. So for mean, it's all about those questions. We cannot start now mode. In our next lesson, we shall be dealing with mode and medium together. So I will stop it there for today. Thank you.